Hello and welcome to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina on a windy day. Hey, thanks for taking a minute to look at our 2018 Dodge Durango. This is the SRT 392 and it is all-wheel drive. Take a look at this thing. You will not find a nicer Durango, especially SRT. Hey, let me crank it up for you. It's got the remote start. Take a listen. I know you like that. Let's take a look on the inside. By the way, you got the dark tinted windows all in the back. Leather seating. You do have sunroof. Go up here in front. You got the SRT floor mats to match. There, right there is 24,000 miles. Hey, take a look. There's your radio system. Even got the backup camera in here. And it even comes with nav. You're not going to find a better Dodge Durango SRT at this price anywhere. Once you come see us down here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina. We're located at 3700 Raleigh Road Parkway West, Wilson, North Carolina. Hey, thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.